Hi friends, this is Chanchal Sarkar about factors in Python. So first, what is factors? The numbers that are completely divisible by the given number. It means the remainder is 0, called as factors. That is input example I input 12, so output is 1 2 3 4 6 12. Factors are 12, 1 divisible, 12 divide 1 divisible, 12 divide 2 by 3 by 4 by 6 by 12 divisible. Divisible means remainder should be 0. That is 1 2 3 4 6 12 are factors. Remainder 0, so divisible, so these are factors. But 5 7 9 10, these are not divisible, so these are not factors of 12 of this number. So first, factors, accept a number from the user. So in equal int input, enter a number, next. So print one message, the factors are just one message. Next we need hello, that is for loop, for I in range starting 1, initialize condition up to n plus 1, increment 1 colon, block start, if n mod I equals to 0. If n mod I equals to 0, then print I are factors 1 2 3 I comma and equals to double quote one gap I in range 1 to n plus 1 given. If n mod I, then block start, print condition true 12 mod divisible by I 1 2 3 4. These number are factors.